10 Facts about Meditation. Number 1. Meditation has been practiced for thousands of years and is an important part of many spiritual and religious traditions. Number 2. Research has shown that meditation can reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, as well as improve cognitive function and overall well-being. Number 3. There are many different types of meditation, including mindfulness meditation, transcendental meditation, and loving meditation. Number 4. Meditation can be practiced by anyone, regardless of age, gender, or religious beliefs. Number 5. Meditation can be done anywhere, from a quiet room to a busy street corner. All you need is a few minutes of uninterrupted time. Number 6. Meditation can improve your physical health by lowering blood pressure, reducing chronic pain, and boosting your immune system. Number 7. Meditation can help you sleep better by reducing stress and promoting relaxation. Number 8. Meditation can improve your relationships by increasing empathy, compassion, and social connection. Number 9. Meditation can help you become more focused and productive by improving your ability to concentrate and manage distractions. And finally, number 10. Meditation is a practice that requires patience, persistence, and dedication, but the benefits are well worth the effort. Thank you for watching. The Tranquil Retreat.